What's up, guys? My name is Nelson. Welcome to Tio's Auto. Today I'm inside a 97 Toyota Camry. Ooh, sounded pretty healthy for an old car. Green and gold?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Help me get 20 likes for 100 subs! It's a 4-cylinder, 116,000 miles.
Original.
Paint is really faded, but the inside is 100% complete. Headliner is clean, the seats are clean. We got the floor mats drying up in the back. Shifter in the drive and let's go. Dad always does this right here to see how smooth a car shifts. This one shifts really smoothly. Oh, she's got some giddy up. Bumpy road. Let's hit this bumpy road. Oh my God, this is the fastest I've ever hit this road. Oh, going 50 on a bumpy ass road. Oh, this road sucks. It probably just needs some shocks. I already knew it had suspension noise. I kind of forgot, but it's to be expected. It's over 20 years old. Even with good miles, it still needs service. Why do you buy a 97 Toyota Camry? The biggest reason is to save money, save gas. Camry with the 4-cylinder at 2.2 gets really good MPGs. It gets 33 in the freeway, and I forget around probably like 20 something on this. Also getting 133 horsepower on a 4-cylinder in 1997. I mean, that must have been impressive. I'm driving it pretty slow. Motor's doing really good. It's got plenty of pick me up. I'm getting passed up by everybody, but I mean, I'm in a 97 Toyota Camry. Nowadays 133 horsepower is not a lot. Feel a little bit in the transmission. It's not a hard shift. It's kind of just like a little, I don't know, it feels like a little something. I don't know how to describe it. It's braking really good. See how it handles this U-turn? Very nice. Okay, let's go. I'm not even at 60 yet. Thank you guys for coming on this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I gave it some gas and it wasn't really going that much, and then I put the foot all the way down and it revved up. Just like that. And it really doesn't have a whole lot of power. 133, it feels like 133. It wasn't recording any of that? Jesus Christ. At you right now. Pissed and stressed and pissed. Oh my God. You're serious? Driving it fast, it handled really well. You know, the motor was noisy. It sounded good, the exhaust. The transmission, I didn't feel anything in the transmission. It just went. I just went for it. So if you own a Toyota Camry, any of them, let me know which one you like the most. Let me know which Camry generation you think is the most reliable. I really like this generation. They don't really have a whole lot of problems motor transmission wise, but they are getting on the older side. So, you know, noises, suspension, like things like that are known to be expected. We're about 20 minutes into this test drive, and you guys can see the temperature on the far left is perfect. Got it in park, so the light's working, got plenty of gas, and it's idling just perfect. And I mean, I've been driving this thing like, woo! Like it's no one's business. It's loud, it's got a good speakers, it's got a nice radio, Bluetooth. It looks like we have a fast blinker over here. Yep, gotta take a look at the light. But that should be no biggie. There we go. I could hear the compressor kick on, and there I'm starting to get some nice cool air. It's working just about perfect. Let's see our heater. I can already feel it. Yep. I mean, I've been driving this thing like I stole it, so yeah, it's warm. The biggest reason are the miles. They're original. Second, no accidents. 2 previous owners, and that is what I love. I love vehicles like this. Now, this doesn't guarantee that it's going to be perfect, but it is a very good start. You got to go see it, test drive it, feel it. So I just got off the freeway, and I'm sorry guys, I didn't record it. I forgot to hit play on the tape recorder. But it climbed up to 70 really, really well. And at 70 miles an hour, the alignment was not perfect. And how do I buy a car? It's really actually pretty simple. Look at the outside, look at the inside, and look at the Carfax side. Whether you want to buy a car like this or not, if it all makes sense, then you know it might be a good car. Really, what I do is the owners. I only buy 2 owners and less. 3 owners, you know, too much people have been putting their foot on it. People have been using it and abusing it. That's what cars are for. Also, no accidents. I love cars with no accidents. Things do happen on the road, obviously, looking at my car. What I mean by the inside and the outside kind of making sense is the outside, the paint faded. I mean, it's just gonna happen. It's just such an old car. That's normal wear and tear for a 97 Camry. They had it parked outside and not in the garage. Camry with nothing broken inside of it, that is a lot of work. That's, you know, that's not something easy. Thank you guys for coming on this test drive with me. Like, comment, subscribe for more.